Salt Lake City homeowners are increasingly recognizing the importance of energy efficiency, not only for reducing utility bills but also for minimizing environmental impact. One of the most effective ways to achieve these goals is by upgrading or replacing windows. Proper window installation goes beyond aesthetics. It plays a critical role in maintaining indoor comfort and improving a home's energy efficiency. Why energy efficiency matters in Salt Lake City. Salt Lake City's climate features hot summers and cold winters, requiring homes to withstand both extremes. Poorly insulated or outdated windows can result in significant energy loss, as they allow heat to escape during winter and let warm air seep in during summer. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, windows can account for 25% to 30% of residential heating and cooling energy use. Addressing this energy loss with modern, efficient windows can provide both immediate and long-term benefits. The role of modern windows in energy efficiency. Modern windows are designed with advanced technology to combat energy loss. Features like double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas-filled spaces between panes significantly reduce heat transfer. These elements work together to maintain a stable indoor temperature, easing the load on HVAC systems. Here's how these features make a difference. Low E coatings. These microscopic layers reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter. In summer, they block ultraviolet and infrared rays, reducing cooling needs. In winter, they help retain warmth inside the home. Insulated frames. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass reduce heat conduction, preventing temperature fluctuations. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes minimizes heat transfer better than traditional air-filled windows. Benefits of professional window installation. The energy-saving potential of modern windows can only be fully realized with proper installation. Even the most advanced windows lose efficiency if installed incorrectly. Professional window installation ensures a tight seal, preventing drafts and moisture infiltration, which are common culprits of energy inefficiency. Eliminating air leaks. Professional installers use precise measurements and sealing techniques to ensure no gaps exist between the window and frame. Optimizing window placement. Experts can recommend strategic placement to maximize natural light and passive solar heating, reducing dependence on artificial lighting and heating. Preventing long-term issues. Improperly installed windows can lead to problems like condensation, warping, and mold growth, which compromise energy efficiency and indoor air quality. Choosing the right windows for Salt Lake City homes. When selecting new windows, Salt Lake City homeowners should consider factors specific to the local climate. Windows with a high solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, are ideal for capturing warmth during cold winters, while those with a low U factor minimize heat loss. Energy Star rated windows tailored for the region provide an excellent starting point. Additionally, homeowners can opt for styles that enhance ventilation, such as casement or awning windows, to promote airflow and reduce cooling needs during milder months. Financial incentives for energy-efficient windows. Investing in energy-efficient windows not only saves on utility bills but can also qualify homeowners for financial incentives. Many local and federal programs offer rebates and tax credits for installing Energy Star rated windows. In Salt Lake City, initiatives aimed at promoting sustainability often include incentives for upgrading to energy-efficient home components. Long-term value and comfort. Energy-efficient windows contribute to the overall value of a home, making them a wise investment for homeowners planning to sell in the future. Beyond financial benefits, these windows enhance indoor comfort by reducing drafts, minimizing noise pollution, and providing consistent temperatures year-round. For environmentally conscious homeowners, upgrading windows aligns with sustainability goals by reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Over time, the cumulative impact of energy-efficient windows on a home's carbon footprint can be significant. Partnering with the right professional, selecting and installing the right windows requires expertise. Working with a trusted local window installation company in Salt Lake City ensures homeowners receive tailored advice and high-quality workmanship. Experienced professionals understand the unique challenges posed by the region's climate and can recommend solutions that balance energy efficiency with style. Conclusion: energy-efficient window installation is a smart, impactful upgrade for Salt Lake City homes. By combining advanced technology with professional installation, homeowners can enjoy lower energy bills, increased comfort, and a reduced environmental footprint. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an older one, investing in quality windows is a decision that pays off for years to come.